never thought I will experience something that will eventually change my life completely, or even remotely close to this. As a camera enthusiast and a big fan of video creation, this video is nothing less than what I've always wanted to do. So instead of me talking about it, it will be better if I just show you.
Hey, what's up guys? This is 𝙏𝙝𝙖𝙑 on Instagram, on TikTok. I'm a sneaker artist. I'm an artist, but I venture more in sneaker art. So you can check my page at 𝙏𝙼𝙑 on TikTok, on Instagram. We are coming to YouTube soon, so I can show you how I do this. Yeah, that's it. So it's all love, man. Yeah.
Okay. For me, I love Nairobi. It's a cool place. It's a good city. I choose Nairobi over other cities.
Watu wa creative economy, kwa muda mrefu watu wa kupiga picha walikuwa wananyanyaswa. Tumesema na watu wa inspectorate wako hapa, enforcement. Kijana mmoja akipiga picha na kamera, aweke kwa social media, apate advertising asishikwe. Wacha afanye kazi yake.